welcome to DJH Preston Sports. We've just had this lovely Volvo XC60 arrive into stock. It's been a while since we've had a nice one of these. We've looked at quite a few and rejected a few because just weren't up to standard. It's absolutely lovely. Finished in glacier white, diamond cut alloy wheels. It's running on Bridgestone tyres. Proves how well the car's been looked after. Lovely condition on the bodywork, privacy glass to the rear park distance control, twin exhaust, full R design body styling kit. Car just does not look like its age. It's half its age. See, there's some there, look at that, absolutely lovely. Huge boot on these and it's been well looked after. It's the D4 one to have. Got the rear parcel shelf as well. Being the R design, it comes with this lovely luxury interior with a half leather Alcantara white stitch piping, electric windows, electric mirrors, no wear on the bolster. It's in lovely condition. Big spec as well. It's just on 106,512 miles. Got heated seats, 6-speed gearbox, cruise control, auto headlights. It's got Bluetooth connectivity. Auxiliary USB in the armrest. Looking how much there. Sounds absolutely great. At DJH we offer full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. For require any further information please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.